Can't find a cool video you took or special photo from way back when? Got that solved now. I'm the CyberGuy. Quick tips like these at CyberGuy.com, where you can sign up for my free newsletter. Are you tired of scrolling endlessly through all your camera roll in search of that one video you've been looking for? Trust me, I know we've all been there. Well, we've got some answers for you. For iPhone, with iOS 17 or later, you don't have to struggle much longer. Check this out. Let's say you're looking for videos of a fun biking trip from last year. Simply go to your Photos app, tap the search icon on the bottom right, type in videos and tap. Then type in bike in the search bar next to where you typed in videos, then click See All. Now you're seeing videos in your camera roll that contain a bike. It's like magic, right? It gets cooler though. You can also search your videos for specific sounds. Look at this. The steps are the same. Go to your Photos app, tap the search icon on the bottom right. Type in videos and tap. Now type in something like clapping and tap. Then click See All. Now you're seeing the videos in your camera roll that contains anyone clapping. If you tap the video, you might see a blue bar over the selection of the video that does have that clapping inside of it. It's really cool. Follow me at CyberGuy.com and sign up for my free CyberGuy Report newsletter.